Hi, everyone. For those students who are working on Minuet 2, that's the second minuet in the Suzuki Book 1. I'm going to cover the B section today. And, this is a section that students have a little bit of difficulty with, but it's not that hard. And what I'm going to do is play the left hand with the metronome. And I have my metronome set at 112. Now, a couple things you could do. You could listen to the left hand and, kind of memorize the sound of it, so it'll help you learn the left hand of the B section. And also you could play the right hand along with the left hand, and then I'm going to go back and play the right hand so you can get a chance to play the left hand along with my right hand. And so there you go. We'll start with the left hand of the B section. Starts on the note E. Okay, that's the first half, and really if you listen to it a few times, get the melody in your head, and then use your book to get the right fingering, I don't think it'll be that difficult for you. Probably the part that needs the most practice is measure 17, 18, 19. I'm going to say it's measure 20. So you start on B, you got two black keys. Make sure you go all the way up to B. Come back down, but use your fourth finger this time instead of your third. You used your third going up, 5, 3, 2, 1. Use your 4 coming back down so you can land on the E right there in the next measure. Now for the second half of the B section, starting at measure 25. Okay, and the trickiest part right there is measure 25 through 28. Look at the fingering. It's 5, 3, 1, 4, 3, but then put your thumb in here on E, and then reach down to A with your fourth finger. And then just walk up to D there. Then there's a quick jump to F sharp. So now I'll play all of the B section with the left hand, and you can play along with the right hand if you wish, or play along with the left hand and make sure you have it correctly. Here we go. 1, ready, go. Now the B section with the right hand. 1, ready, go. Thank you, and good luck with this piece.